Here I have LENOVO K6, and today I'm going to show you how to check your battery info on this device. So to do this, you will firstly have to download this Ampere app from the Play Store. So just open it. When you open it for the first time, you will have to accept some terms of conditions or whatever, and after it measures and it's measuring, you can see all of these different informations about your battery here in this menu. So let me show you one more time. As you can see here, you have different informations like temperature, health, technology, battery level, maximum capacity, and that kind of informations. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.